Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today guys we are breaking down the aftermath of one of the most talked about meme coins, which is Trump coin. So was it a brilliant investment or just another crypto circus? We will dive into the pros, cons and everything in between in this video guys, so make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you enjoy these deep dives into crypto chaos. Before we start, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can finally dive into this video guys. So I've been telling you a little bit about this token quite a while ago, and I was saying that this is not particularly the best investment maybe, but obviously guys, well, I'm not the only guy to judge this. All of us have our own unique opinions, so that's why we will be doing this, as I said, sort of aftermath. So first of all guys, let's talk a little bit about the Trump coin itself and you know what it is, because some people might not know. Okay, so what exactly is it? It launched amid a wave of hype and controversy. So this meme coin promised to blend politics, pop culture and profits. So with a strong online community and name designed to grab headlines, it quickly became a hot topic across social media. Obviously someone saw it as a joke, others saw an opportunity, but now that the dust has settled a little bit, we can break down all the pros and cons of this token, right? So guys, first of all, let's go into the pros of this token. First of all, the meme power and hype, definitely, okay? Because the internet, you know, people love a good meme, and Trump coin had plenty. From TikToks to Reddit threads, the hype alone drove insane trading volume, and this token is still up to this day doing pretty well in regards of trading volume. Then obviously strong community guys. The Trump coin community was loud, loyal and determined to send it to the moon, you know. As we know, in crypto, community is everything when it comes to all of these meme coins especially, right? Then media attention, virality, you know, whether it was good or bad, publicity is a publicity at the end of the day, right? Many people were recording about it. I also made a video on it and it got over 300,000 views, which is absolutely incredible. So yeah, definitely the presence was there. Same with the memes. As you can see, their official profile is also posting memes, and recently Trump coin actually even spiked in price a little bit. As you can see, it went from 15 bucks up to 24. I believe it was after they posted a meme on their on a White House profile, which is followed by 7 million people. It was something along the lines, roses are red, violets are blue, if you come here illegally we will deport you, or something like that. And I don't know if this was particularly the case why it started pumping, but I think it was the same day, so maybe it could have been, you know. That's the thing with meme coins, they are super random and they are super volatile, obviously, except the fact that there is also about 80% of insiders here in this particular token, right? So it still is performing quite well, because they are ranked 33rd in CoinMarketCap overall, and the current market state still isn't the best. But as I said in my video, which if you haven't watched also, then I mean, you don't really need to watch it because it was market analysis for this particular day. However, yeah, I was saying that just be calm, okay? Don't sell while you are, you know, in negative, because it will go back up. And the market went back up, you know. Like, I'm not a genius, obviously, like almost everyone knew that, but I just wanted to reassure some people, and slowly but surely we are starting to pick up the pace back. Also BNB shown some crazy movements last few days, because it also spiked up from 600 to 723 for one moment, so that was crazy. So yeah, we are seeing some movement in the crypto market as well, right? And getting back to Trump coin guys, Trump coin also had those short-term gains, okay? Because some early investors into Trump coin, they made a huge amounts of money. There was a guy that made like few million out of, I don't know, $100 or something like that, which is crazy. And now let's talk about the cons. What went wrong with this token? So first of all, definitely the extreme volatility that I was talking about, right? Trump coin was a roller coaster, and it still is, okay? If you didn't time it perfectly, you probably got wrecked, and so did I with my shorts and long trades. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I burned quite a lot of thousands of dollars on this token particularly. I wasn't really a hodler, but I was trying to, you know, kind of play it off. But again, like, meme coins are extremely volatile. some weird stuff was happening with crypto these days. Obviously, probably a lot of you made money as well, but I'm sure that a lot of people also lost money, okay? Another thing is lack of real utility, okay guys, because beyond the hype and memes, there wasn't really much utility here. I mean, some platforms implemented it as a payment method, I believe, yeah, Travala, as you can see, and you are also able, I think you are also still able, I'm not sure, but for sure you were able at least, to buy some merchandise with this token, but that's not enough utility to back it, you know, in terms of price growth potential. Scams and rug pull fears are another factor, and not particularly about the real Trump meme, but you know, there was a lot of impostor coins and phishing scams that popped up. So a lot of people that are new into crypto definitely wanted to jump into this particular coin, and some of them definitely got wrecked by those fake coins, etc. So you always need to be careful and always do your own research and due diligence. Then also political polarization. Some people loved it for the meme, others hated it for the politics. Like either way, it was a divisive. So like, you know, this token in itself, it is quite political, but at the end of the day, it's still a meme coin, okay? So it's not that deep how some people might pursue it and how some people might view it, right? So what people were saying about this, guys? So I mean, you can go check my comments under the video that I did. There is like 1700 comments, I believe. Some of them are Trump coin is the new Dogecoin I'm holding. Others were like, this is a pump and dump disaster, lesson learned. And then the comments that I love the most is like, you know, at least the memes were funny. So yeah, I mean, you got the point, yeah. So lessons are learned, definitely. What can we take away from this, guys? First of all, that meme power is definitely real, okay? And this has been proven multiple times, not only by Trump coin, but by our OG Dogecoin, by Shiba Inu, right? And many others like Floki. So yeah, this definitely, the meme power is definitely real, but you need to keep in mind that it is a double-edged sword. Then hype alone isn't enough, you know, there has to be some utility and trust matter. And in crypto, timing is everything, and fear of missing out is also real. Many people started FOMOing in and lost a lot of money, guys. So what's next for Trump coin? We don't know. Could it make a comeback? Well, maybe, especially if it finds a real purpose beyond memes, and that's what investors of Trump coin are definitely hoping for. Right now it feels more like a gamble than an investment, in my personal opinion at least. So let me know, guys, what do you think about Trump coin? Did you invest? Did you win or lose? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, guys. And hey, if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss more videos like that one, okay? So until the next time, stay smart, stay safe, happy trading, guys. See ya.